Gas station Philly cheesesteak. Cannot wait to shit my brains out later.
For copyright reasons, I can't play this song. Sure, yummy.
Gourmet shit right there, sir. From Roasters.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Yeah.
Park next to Mike Sarah.
You at the culvert?
No.
No, we're picking him up.
Oh.
Sorry, I forgot to tell him.
At your house?
Well, Nathan, you ain't worth the fuck.
God, I'm such a fucking cameraman.
Oh, you left the fucking tailgate down.
Oh, fuck.
Oh no.
I get it.
But a lot of my bass rods that I use by line on is 50 pound. I don't know why. Make sure I don't lose nothing, I guess.
Interesting.
Ah! Dog.
Hold on, what?
Her dog won't poop.
Her dog won't poop.
So she's gonna feed it this cheese and maybe it'll help. She was asking me, she called me and asked, you got any canned pumpkin? I'm like, what the fuck did you just say?
What the fuck did you just say?
What did you just ask me? Canned pumpkin?
Canned pumpkin.
I haven't even heard of such.
Maybe. Isaac, what's your grand idea for these tenders here?
Use them as bait.
Interesting. Interesting. What do you think's gonna bite on them?
Not a goddamn thing.
Putting y'all on my head now. We're gonna get ye old good fishing stance going. Try to catch us a little bluegill and use him as good bait. That'd be the question right here, boys. Got these old rigs. Fuck you, mosquito. Now I find it hard to believe that one beaver built this whole thing.
Well, I didn't think the mosquitoes was going to be up.
You were wrong. I have fucking hooked that on there awful, but we'll see if it gets a bite. I've not even used this rod and reel yet. Let's see how she does. Damn, okay. Not too shabby.
Getting anything?
This is just my second cast.
Well, you still don't have anything?
No.
You suck.
This reel casts very well. I like it. What? Men?
I said you.
Oh.
Ta-da.
Hey, little bitty crappie.
Itty bitty.
First catch of the day.
Another one.
Another little bitty baby.
It's not the same one you think,
I don't know. See if it's got the same hook hole. Oh shit. That's a striped or yeah, striped bass.
What are you using?
Swim bait. It's a
No, he doesn't have the same hook hole.
Oh, man.
So it's a different crappie.
Nathan, grab that, maybe get him up a bit for it. Grab that basket for him. I just got hit like hell.
Well, you were just casting out right there, weren't you?
yeah. Hell yeah, boys. First white bass of the year. Not a half bad one neither. Yeah, he's big enough to eat. If he'd quit biting me, fucker. Go away.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh.
What is that? Spotted bass.
Yep.
You got a tape measure, Nathan?
Fuck, I might.
Beautiful.
That is a very pretty one.
Yeah. Spotted bass. I think it's really pretty.
That's gorgeous.
Really fun. You got that little rough stick that he's got on the line? Yeah, it's tough.
Joe's got a tape measure right here.
Yeah.
He's got red eyes.
Back.
Damn, his tape measure rusty, Joe.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is he 12?
He's 10 and a half.
You sure?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Man,
But-
let me push his mouth out.
He's still about 10 and a half, Isaac. Damn, he about got him a worm.
Yeah, let me measure him.
But yeah, see. Even we lock it down.
Another little fucking crappie.
11.
He came
Yeah.
off, but another little fucking crappie.
Big enough.
Yep.
Overthink, bro. You gonna keep him? I don't know.
Here. Oh, my knife's right there, Joe.
I can't reach it.
Motherfucker. We live? Yeah, well. The battery overheated and everything, but we came out of here with that, and that was the last fish I caught right there. Is that big motherfucker. God, I can't wait to put him on a sandwich.
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Sandwich.
Sandwich.